Very good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. So happy to have you
How are
here.
you?
Yes, I'm doing great. And how are you? And how is your life going on?
I am great and thanks for asking. My life is going on smooth. I'm happy. Everything is going on well.
Fine. Okay. So do you have a channel?
And what about you?
Yes. Here also my life is going great. And I'm enjoying each and every day, each and every moment.
Okay. Okay.
So
So, ma'am, since we are meeting to the very first time, so we should introduce ourselves.
is shall I go first?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for this. My name is Mahalakshmi. I hail from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. I'm a mom to two beautiful daughters, and I did my master's in engineering in computer science department. And I worked as a lecturer and a banker for a couple of years. And I have a channel for last 1 year, and I have been posting conversation in this. And apart from conversation, I'm also doing some solo videos. And other than my YouTube, I'm a homemaker, taking care of my family. That's all, ma'am.
Okay. So let me introduce myself. Glad to hear you. My name is Poonam and I am a housewife. I am the mother of a daughter. I have done BEd. Now I'm running my YouTube channel as well as I'm learning and growing. That's pretty much about me.
Okay, so how long has it been since you started your channel?
I have been running my YouTube channel for 8 and 9 months.
Okay, fine. So recently you have started posting conversational videos?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nice.
In 1
And
January 2026, from 1 January, I have started to conversation. I have started to connecting with the people.
fine. And you don't look like a mom of a baby. You are like a college girl.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me
Mm.
compliment. I don't
Okay.
know, many people gave me same kind of compliment.
Okay, you look so young. Mm.
Okay.
Okay, do you have any questions?
Yes, ma'am. I want to give you reward because you are doing great work. You have two kids as well as you are managing household chores. You are working on your communication skills. So many things you are managing. I really inspire from you. So I really want to know what were the reason behind it. When did you realize I should work on my spoken English?
Very good. And thank you for that. Thank you for your good words and encouraging words. I really loved it. See, after quitting my job, after resigning my job, I was not sure what to do further, and I don't like to sit simply at home. Other than my household chores, I need something to prove myself again. I know that I have to start from the scratch. It's okay. Say, other than taking rest or doing nothing, it is okay to just move on. So I thought of starting something. And my daughter suggested me to start a channel, YouTube channel. And ever since I started, I have been consistent and I have been enjoying this. It's
Okay.
like up to our priority, how we prioritize our thing, how we prioritize our niche, and how do you want to see yourself after a couple of years. So I don't want to see myself as a normal person after certain years. I want to say something. I want to, yes, congratulate myself. See, you have achieved these many things within this period. You are not silent. You did something for your development. So I need to appreciate myself. So in order to get those appreciation, I am utilizing my time. So I prioritize
Ma'am, I
all my,
really
is I prioritize all my work and move accordingly, ma'am. It's not a it's not a great thing. See, everyone is doing something or the other for their improvement. Now we could see that a lot of housewives, homemakers have started the channel or something for their improvement. So I am one of them and I am among them.
okay. So, ma'am, I really hats off you as you mentioned that you quit your job and you choose your family first. So this is the remarkable thing because in spite of many things, you choose your family, your kids, and you took risk in your life because you quit job. It was not a cakewalk for you. When you quit your job, so how many challenges you have faced?
See, after quitting
Did
my
you feel
job,
regret?
yes.
Ma'am, did you feel regret?
Yes, of course. It's see, we are like humans. We have all the feelings. It was my dream job, so I didn't know what to do further and how can I move forward. How can I just leave my day as it is? So I had that resentment for so long. I was disheartened for so long. Something or the other I must do. So in order to tackle that those days.
Very. So, ma'am, I really want to know what kind of strategy you have followed to skill your communication skills.
Strategy, I first see, we should love what we do. Otherwise, it is not going to help. For others, for
Yes.
someone purpose, for others' sake, we should not concentrate on anything. We should appreciate, we should love what we are doing. So, English is type of such thing. I just want to master this language. I should be able to speak something in English. I was not able to communicate properly in English before some time. I didn't want to continue that. I should do something so that I am able to speak some sentences, some two or three sentences continuously in English. So I was focusing on that even after starting my channel. During my initial stages, I was not able to answer them properly. I stuck in between. I was in sort of words, and see my distraction mitigated me very much. So somehow I just did not stop there, and I decided to move forward. So I was thinking what to do further. So I inculcated several habits like reading newspapers, reading English books, and writing journal, and mindfully watching conversation, shadowing. So I have inculcated all these strategies in order to be fluent in this language. See, mistakes are inevitable. We cannot avoid mistakes, but it is good to mitigate those errors. That's all. We should not repeat those errors. That's all. We should do mindful
Yes, ma'am.
speaking, conversation. That's all.
Ma'am, I totally agree with you as you mentioned that you love what you do. Many people don't follow you love what you do. Many people follow to others what others doing, then they follow their passion. So you mentioned here do what you do. It is very grateful thing because you love what you are doing. It will help you for a long life. And people are running in the race. They are influenced from others.
Yes.
If someone is running their business, they don't use their mind. They just look to other person. They open their business, even they are interested or not.
Yes, for me, according to me, I don't really focus on others. I just utilize my own
Yes,
time. When we concentrate our
yes,
own life, our
yes,
own path, then everything will come to its original place. So
yes,
it is good to watch our own improvement. So I do this.
yes.
Is
Actually, ma'am, you mentioned that you are reading, writing, and you are reading books. So I really want to know what kind of books you are reading to enhance your fluency.
okay. I have recently uploaded my solo video regarding the books I have read so far, the books I have been reading now, the books I have for my upcoming days. And now I have just finished one book called The Guide. See, the reading is my passion since from my childhood. I used to read a lot in my mother tongue. Reading is my favorite habit, hobby, and all. I think I have inherited this habit from my aunt. Neither of my parents are involved in reading. They don't like reading and they don't usually do reading. So my aunt is the other way around. Read a lot. She's no more now, and she had the habit of reading. So I must have inherited this habit from her. So reading for a beginner, I would suggest to go with simple Indian author book. And
Yes.
in order to incorporate a habit, incorporate new things in your life, it is not easy. You should deliberately force yourself to make that habit. So allocate some specific time, specific place in your home to do that, to continue this habit. For example, you finish your work at 11 o'clock, 11 a.m. in the morning. So after 11 up to 2, you have time, right? So from 11 to 11:30, allocate your time for reading especially. Don't do any other thing, even don't watch your mobile for unknown words. Just read, that too with loud reading. Don't read within yourself. Open your mouth and read it for half an hour. You don't distract your thoughts. Close your room and go to a specific place for half an hour. Just have a book with you and read. And make it a habit for 10 days. The same place, the same time. In order to make it this as a habit, that's all. After 10 days, you cannot resist yourself from reading. Some or the other way, you have to go to that place and have to read. So like this, you have to
Yes.
inculcate this habit. And I have read so many books, and I have been reading also. Is first
Okay.
decide your level, and you can go with the books. There are so many books, description, reviews on the net. You can watch that and you can go along with that.
Actually, ma'am, you are saying very good. I'm totally agree with you. Books really help you to speak in English, and as well as when you will read something, that means you will train your muscles mouth. Reading play the vital role to speak in English because what you read and what you are speaking matters a lot. But as well as I will mention here, reading really help you to transform your life, your mindset, your positive thinking,
Yes.
what you are thinking about yourself, you can relate with your life. Okay. Books are helping you to make your life better, and as well as it is matters a lot what kind of things you are consuming
Yes.
in your mind, because there are many books, there are many self-help books, there are many fiction books, non-fiction books, but don't go blindly. Choose book wisely which really help you to transform your life, which really help you to make the better version of yourself.
Yes,
So books play
correctly.
the vital role to reading and make your communication skills better. It is the different thing. But I have seen many people, they change their life, they transform their life because of the books. So that means in today era, books are valuable things in our human life.
Yes. See, you can take this reading habit as a habit. However,
Yes,
if you want to speak English, so for speaking, if you are going to inculcate this habit, I don't suggest for that. You must love something to in order to speak in English. If you are love
yes,
hearing videos, listening to videos, you can go along with that. But if you are truly want to inculcate this reading habit, then you can go for that habit. Okay,
yes,
you cannot mention how it is going to help you in your speech. You cannot define that, but however, it
yes,
is going to help you in some or the other way. So you should have that thought. Say, reading is a habit. It is going to help me. So I'm going to inculcate this habit. But at the same time, when you are not interested in reading, you no need to do. You have some other plans. You have some other
yes,
strategy to develop this habit, this speaking habit.
yes. For speaking habit, reading is good thing, and as well as you mentioned there, video, like watching videos. So video also play the vital role, but you
Yes.
are just input and you are not output. So it will not help you. Whatever you are watching, whatever you are listening, try to summarize in your way, try to speak in your way. You watch and try to elaborate in your way. It will really help you to improve your communication skills, because you are just listening and you live it. It will not work for you. Whatever you are listening, try to speak in your own words what they are giving you message.
Yes, correctly said. Correctly said. See, initially it is not easy task. It must daunt you. It must leave you with some difficulties. But you should have that desire. See, I have to speak in English, so I'm ready to accept everything. When you have that thought, it is easy for you to move forward.
Yes. Okay, so many people they just run behind the grammar rather than speak. So
Okay.
how much grammar play the vital role to speak in English?
Okay. See, you know your level. You know whether you are in a basic level or intermediate level, right? When you are in a basic level, don't focus on accuracy. Grammar comes when there is a need of accuracy. For fluency, I don't say that grammar is important. First, you should have that clinch towards the fluency. Once you are able to speak something for 10 minutes, then you can concentrate on grammar. First thing is you should be ready to speak in front of others. For that, grammar is not needed. Having said that, I really like and love speaking without grammar mistake. Even in our mother tongue, I don't like when someone speaks with grammar mistake. For living things, non-living things, the ending should be in proper way. So the same applies here also. See, for the beginner, it is okay to listen without grammar mistakes, with grammar mistakes. Once you want to sustain in this platform, it is important to concentrate on grammar as well.
Okay. But in my opinion, I can say, until you will not speak, you can't be fluent. So
Yes.
don't focus, just learn the grammar. Don't focus, just cram the grammar rule. Once you need to start speak, when you will need to start speak, when you will speak, so simultaneously you can go with the grammar. But many people they just waste their time to learn the nitty-gritty of grammar. Then
Okay.
when they learn the grammar, then they realized I don't know anything about grammar. So because of that, they underestimate themselves. I can't speak English fluently. I don't know the grammar rules. So I would suggest here, don't learn the grammar. Just start speak. Speak as much as you can. If you don't have anyone, you have cell phone. Record your video, see yourself how are you speaking and how you are articulating your thoughts, your hand gesture, your body posture. Many things matters a lot when you listen your video, observe when you observe yourself. So grammar is different thing and fluency is different thing. If you are teaching,
Hmm.
if you are a student, so you will have to learn the grammar for just as a subject. But when you are learning language, language is different and subject is different.
Yes, correct. Grammar is not about speaking, it's about understanding the language. So you have to see it
Yes.
differently. There are poles apart, they are poles apart. Grammar is to have a depth knowledge in this language, but speaking is totally different. While speaking, you cannot think that whether should I put is or while speaking. It has to come spontaneously and continuously. When you have the input,
Yes.
you will be able to produce the output. For getting securing that input, you need some practice like reading, writing, listening, and these strategies, thinking, and all. That's all.
Yes, yes. So, ma'am,
Okay.
I really want to know, yeah, many people, like many girl and women, they unable to focus on their consistency. So,
Okay.
how consistency play the vital role to speak in English and even life also? Because as a woman, we have a lot of hustle bustle. Our plate always full with a lot of things. So, what kind of message you would give to those women and girl they unable to follow the consistency. So how much consistency play the vital role to make you fluent to running your YouTube channel?
Okay. See, we have to decide which is significant in your life. If you consider that English is my niche and I have to go my life with this English, then automatically you will start focusing on improving your English. You will start focusing on uploading the content for your channel. So it's again the priority and how the importance you are giving for yourself. We are ready to do everything for others, but we are not ready to see ourselves. We are just saying, okay, this is for me. I can do it tomorrow. I can postpone it. No one is here. No one is there to ask me questions. I don't need to answer anyone. So just we are just procrastinating all our needs, all our deeds, right? In case of others, we are the first one who comes forward to do everything for others, but when it comes to us, we are just always omitting that part. No, that should not be happened. You should prioritize your own self also. When you prioritize your own, then you will automatically do the consistency. You will automatically do things for your better self. So
I
prioritize
totally
your
agree with you.
is
Ma'am, I totally agree with you as you mentioned that priority always push you toward your goal, because until
is
you will not priority to give your work, to give your channel, so it will not work for you. Priority matters a lot. If you are giving the priority to your work, so that means it would help you to shape your life, and as well as you would become the best version of yourself. Because if you are not giving the priority to your work, which really help you to build your life, okay, and you are prioritizing to other things, so just we need to be aware what is
is
mandatory for
hmm.
us, what we can transform our life. If you are capable to transform your life, if you are capable to maintain your things in proper way, so definitely on the other hand you can help to anyone. But if you are not prioritizing to your work, to yourself, so how you can expect to other person will give you priority, and how you can expect you can help to other person?
Yes.
Someone will listen to you, someone will give you respect when you priority to your work,
Yes, of
to
course. You're
yourself.
spot on. You're spot on. We don't know what life is going to throw you. We cannot unfold our life. So it is always better to
Yes,
be ready for that. When life throws you the curveball, you should be able to tackle it. Before that, you should have the tendency, you should have the ability to face all those. So it's always important to
yes.
utilize your time in a properly in a proper way. Okay. So do you have any?
Okay, ma'am, if you have any question for asking, you can ask.
Yes, and you have asked me so many questions, very good questions, and I came to know that how much you are fascinated and you are interested in running your channel and asking some useful questions. I really appreciate that. Please keep going, keep moving, and I really congratulate for all your efforts.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me your compliment. Your compliment means a lot to me, and thank you so much for giving me your precious time.
Thank you, Poonam, and yes, I would like to connect with you for some time for my channel, and next week or so
Okay.
I'll message you, I'll mail you.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Bye bye. Have a
Bye.
nice day. Take
Bye.
care.
Thank you. I'll send you the